Hello my friends, today I want to teach you how you can draw a line in AutoCAD software. You can easily execute the line command right in the home menu and select it, okay? First of all, you have to see that in the command line, the software tells us that it specified the first point, okay? Select the first point. The second point, pay attention please, the second point is anywhere in any direction that you want it with any angles. For example, 66 and 16 angles, okay? And you can type it, for example, we want to draw a line with 70 millimeters and the 12 angles, okay? Enter it, and now we have a line. Okay, when we want to exit the command, you have to press the escape button in your keyboard or select the enter right here. Okay.